I don't know about you, but sometimes our RV needs good washing. And we heard about this place where you can just pull in, it's a truck wash, and they'll wash the whole thing for like $36. They've got some extra things you can add to it, but to give yourself just a good wash and get it clean, I think this is a great solution.
Blue Beacon Truck Wash.
So basically you pull up, get behind whatever semis are there and wait your turn. I think we waited 20 minutes to get to the very front of the line, and then we got to watch someone else get their truck washed. Now they have quite a few of these around the country, and they're usually in some of the major cities. This one happened to be in Shreveport, Louisiana, and the manager Ron took really good care of us. How do you find if there's one close to you? As they say, there's an app for that. Just look up Blue Beacon. As you can see, they have a whole team working on your RV or your truck or trailer all at one time. They do a really good job, and I will show you what it looks like when you're inside and they're washing on the outside. You don't have to leave the truck, you can stay in the entire time.
How you doing today?
Real good, how are you?
Alright, what you getting today?
Classic wash.
Alright, you want a classic wash?
Here's a few quick views of some of the stages the RV went through, and I'd like to point out that they really went for detail around the corners and nooks and crannies of our Class C. You could tell they had great experience doing RVs because they were finding places I even had forgotten to pay attention to in the past. Well, Ron Powell, I just wanted to say thank you very much to you and your staff. They did a fantastic job. We're really happy that our first experience was with you in Shreveport, Louisiana. Thank you so much.